of values to each of the family members. Family members teach each other, serve one another, and share life's joys and sorrows. Family provides a setting for personal growth. Family is the single most influence in a child's life. Thus, keeping these views in mind, we the students of Standard 7 would like to present a skit based on the same. A family wherein the parents are working abroad. The eldest sibling is struggling to get the others in family together who are busy arguing playing games on mobile and some enjoying the games on television.
Come all, it's 8 p.m. Let's all say the rosary. Go away. Leave us alone. Don't disturb.
The others pay no heed to her and continue doing what they please. Just then, there is a knock on the door. There are some members visiting them. The elder sister welcomes them and asks them to be seated. The members visiting see the commotion in the house and inquire from the elder sister about their parents.
Good evening. Please come in and have a seat.
Good evening, dear. How are you? Where are your parents?
My parents are working abroad. I'm the eldest and take care of my siblings and the household.
How do you manage to carry out your duties and handle your younger siblings?
I know it's a little difficult and stubborn at times, but I manage.
I really appreciate your hard work and patience. But don't you miss your parents? It would be much easier with them around.
Yes, I agree. But due to financial crisis, they both had to go abroad for job.
Yes, I can see how you are struggling to manage your house. I would like to introduce you to a family who would help you to cope up with your struggles.
Who is praying the rosary and then having their dinner. At the dinner table, the mother shares the problem of the family she visited and the others members volunteer to help them.
You know, I went around visiting families and I came across one family where the parents are working abroad to meet the needs of the family. I felt pity on the elder sister who was struggling to take care of her siblings and also carrying out her own work. I think we should help them.
But how can we do that?
I think we all should visit them on Sundays and make them aware of the importance of prayer in a family and organize certain activities which will make them realize the importance of family, especially parents, and in their absence, the struggles of the elder sister.
The family does as they have planned.
Every person requires affection, understanding, and feeling of belongingness and love. And you know who provides us that? Yes, it is our family.
Every family has its own strengths and challenges. Any problem in the family can be solved by open communication. Arguing or playing mobile games will only distract us from God and our duties and responsibilities towards ourselves and our family at large.
The reason our family is together despite our busy schedule is because we have made God the center of our lives. We pray and have a family dinner and later share our household chores. And as it's aptly said, a family that prays together stays together.
Remember the three magic words: please, sorry, and thank you mean a lot. They are often undermined and unseen. Many a time we fail to understand its significance. These three words help change lives and making the bond in the family stronger.
After some days, there is a transformation seen in the members of the first family. And thus we conclude. Family members, the fortunes of faith and family will continue to ebb and flow as they have in various periods throughout history. But experience shows they will do so joining hands.
Appreciate the days that God has given you and show Him your devotion by honoring the gift that He gave you. Your mother and father, as Exodus 20:12 says, honor your father and mother, that you may live long time in the land the Lord your God is giving to you.
Motivation. Family motivation can relate to both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation is geared towards internal rewards, example, enjoyment, achievement. Internal motivation is geared towards external rewards, example, money, praise.
Inspiration. Family has the ability to inspire you to be the greatest version of yourself. They know what you are capable of and through their words and actions motivate you to be successful.
Love. Family love is a special type of love that comes with its unique feelings, behavior, challenges, and rewards. Once you understand what it truly is, you can learn how to build family relationships by genuine love and care.
Youthful. Youthful families provide the environment in which children can be nurtured and socialized. Thank you.
Thank you.